What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Help Guy. So for today, I'm gonna show you how to download your files or your design in Canva in just these basic and simple steps. So what you want to do is you want to have your design prepared. So let's say this is our design. This is actually the template from Canva that I got. So let's say that this is our design and we want to download this. So you can actually download any file in Canva. All you have to do is go here on the upper right corner of the screen, click on share. Afterwards, go to download. And then from here, what you will see, at first, there are different types of file types. So for this image, it's suggesting that we download it as a PNG or as a picture because it's only one slide. Now, we can now choose the file here by clicking on this arrow here or just by clicking this whole thing right here. And then now we can select whatever file we want to use for downloading. So let's say JPG, PNG. We can download it as a PDF print even. And we can also download it using SVG if there are any animations or web design. If it's for web design, you can download it as MP4, and you can also download it as a GIF or as a GIF or as a PPT or PowerPoint if you want to use it for a presentation or whatnot. But for now, we're sticking with PNG. Now, there are also other options or other tools here in the download option that you might want to consider taking a look at. For example, you can maximize the size here or the quality by clicking on this, maximizing it. You can also limit the file size. This is very helpful, especially if you're submitting an important document, because usually documents require a limited file size. So this is very important. And you can also compress the file to lower the quality. Now, it's very important to take note, however, that when downloading these options right here, the sizing, the file limit, the compressor, the transparent background, it all comes with premium. So you're gonna need a premium subscription to Canva like what I have in order for you to be able to access this type of download tools. Now, if you click on download automatically, that would put it in your folder. And once completed, you already have your downloaded file. And see, since we downloaded it on a high quality, we get it on high quality. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button. And we'll see you again on another video only here on Help Guy.